fruitful discussion this morning. And in the past, the Fijian government has been assisted by the Indonesian government in terms of training for our women. And the visit this morning and the meeting with the Foreign Affairs Minister has shown us a new pathway for future assistance that the government of Indonesia would be providing with us. Today's was a symbolic handing over of a shell processing machine to the ministry to empower women. Of course, this is a very generous donation from the Indonesian government, keeping in view that the Fijian government is also working towards empowering women. And I'm thankful to the Indonesian government for their generosity and assistance. And this shell processing machine will be put to great use. And come the October Women's Expo, the products that the women will be embarking on making from this machine will be put up for display. And we have also invited the Women's Minister from Indonesia through the Foreign Affairs Minister to be part of our Women's Expo. And we have also received a cordial invitation for the Fiji delegation to visit Indonesia so that we can partner up with initiatives that are currently thriving in Indonesia and also learn as to how best we will be able to put those practices to the benefit of women and girls in Fiji. So all in all, it was a very fruitful and a very fruitful discussion that we had. And we look forward for further strengthening our diplomatic ties with the government of Indonesia. Thank you.